Yo guys, how are you? And welcome to this video, new lecture and a new topic. Today I am going to discuss the inverse. Now, I know this is a familiar word. If you're a math student, if you're a physics student, engineering student, any student, of course, you might have heard of inverse before, but the inverse of matrices has a special way, has a special method in order to find it. So please guys, watch to the end of the video and focus well in order to find the correct way to calculate the inverse of any matrix. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. But first of all, I want to remind you that inverse matrix is similar to determinant. Well, in the determinant matrix, we can only find determinant for the square matrix. What's a square matrix? Remember, it's a 2 by 2 matrix, a 3 by 3, a 4 by 4, any matrix that has the same number of rows and column, where number of row equal number of column. And in the inverse, we can't find an inverse except for a 2 by 2 matrix, a 3 by 3 matrix, a 4 by 4 matrix, and so on. So the number of rows must be equal to the number of columns in order to find the inverse. Now in this example, I'm going to find a 2 by 2 inverse, the inverse 2 by 2 matrix. So I'm not going to name it A. In each of my videos, I name my matrix A. Let D, I'm going to name it D this time, be a 2 by 2 matrix, be a 2 such that I'm going to give random numbers, guys. 4 7 1 0. So as you can see, how do I find the inverse of this 2 by 2 matrix? First of all, we find the determinant. If you don't know how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, please click here or here, and I will put the link here in an I button or in the link in the description. You will find a full video on how to calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. It's very easy. So the formula for a 2 by 2 inverse is as the following: 1 over determinant. So this is the formula of the inverse: 1 over determinant into, look what you, please focus guys, look what you do. As you can see, 4 and 0, you shuffle them. This is the 4, it will become here, and this is the 0, it will become here. So this is the first step. 0 4, as you can see, 0 4. I have shuffled them, I have mixed them. 4 0 0 4, and now do I also shuffle the 1 7? It becomes 7 1. No, that's wrong. You only shuffle, guys, you only shuffle this. This one, you only shuffle it. This is the one you only shuffle it. What about this? You just add a minus sign like this: -1 and -7. As you can see, guys, I shuffled these 4 0 0 4 and I add a minus. Now I still have the determinant, 1 of the determinant, and then I will find the inverse of this matrix. So how do I find the determinant? As I told you, I will leave the video in the description, but it's simply, the determinant is 4 times 0, 0 minus 1 times 7, 0 minus 7, so it's -7. We can cancel out the 0 into 0 minus 7 minus 1, 4. Now the final step is to multiply this fraction, which is 1 over -7, by each number in this matrix. We have 4 entries, we have to multiply this number 4 times by each number. So 0 plus 1, 0 times -1 over 7 is 0. -7 over -7 is +1. -1, so -1 over 1 over 7, it's +7. Yeah, -1 over 1 over 7, so it's +7. The minus cancel out, and the 1 over 7, it's the inverse, it becomes 7. And the final one, 4 over -7, 4 over -7, it would become -4 over 7. Okay guys, I'm just sorry for this mistake. This one, it's 1 over 7, sorry. we are multiplying. I'm sorry for the mistake. We are multiplying. It's minus 1 into minus 1 over 7. We multiply, it becomes plus 1 over 7. So it's plus 1 over 7, and here minus 4 over 7. So that's it for today. This is how we find a 2 by 2, the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Remember guys, the determinant and inverse are so similar. You can't find the inverse, or you can't find the determinant of a 2 by 2, 3 by 3, or you can't find the inverse or the determinant of a matrix except if it was a square matrix. What's a square matrix? It's a 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, etc. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the lecture. We are going to delve deeper more now. We are going to delve harder into the complex problems, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. These are very hard problems, but if you focus with me, you will find them easy. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the lecture. See you in the next video. Peace.